All right, guys, we're going in the river or this big old pond.
It's literally so big.
I'm scared.
It's quicksand.
We're going back in and we're going in, and I'm sinking in. I'm literally sinking already.
My foot's literally going all the way down to the bottom.
He's pushing me in. He's pushing me in.
I just feel like something's gonna bite my foot.
Oh, I can't get out. Oh my God.
Wait, really?
It's like quicksand.
Really?
It's literally quicksand.
Bro, what is this water?
Oh, we need a kayak. So we need a boat. Hey guys. Oh my God. Keep going. We gotta keep going. We gotta keep going. Is it raining? What? I see stuff over there moving. Oh, stuff moving.
Bro, there's something inside
You're
my...
pushing me down.
I'm sorry.
I'm sick.
There's something inside of my feet. The water. What was it like?
It's so cold. It feels good though.
I keep getting sunk down.
I'm scared to get ate by a monster.
I'm gonna get ate by...
Same.
You're afraid there's snakes in here.
All right, I'm going in. Oh, it's warm over there. It's warm over there. I can't touch. Oh, God.
Oh, I'm swimming.
I'm scared. Yeah, same. I'm swimming.
I'm swimming.
I'm so scared to go in there. It's so scary.
No. Bro, it's so cold.
I know. I don't like it. No, our boat. Our boat.
Dude, let's just stay on the shore.
Is it raining? I don't want to go no farther.
I don't either.
I'm put underwater. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Well, how come whenever I go...
Let's just walk till we can't touch. Come on.
All right.
Let's go.
Walk till we can't touch no more.
This ground, I'm afraid I'm gonna step on a snapping turtle. I'm just swim. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I can't touch. I can't touch. I can't. I don't like it. I can't touch it. You Lord got away.
Dude, I'm afraid I'm gonna step on a snapping turtle.
I am too. My face been up the whole time. I'm taking my shoes off. Oh no.
That's what I'm feeling.
Here, take one of my shoes. Okay. Here, put one of my shoes on. Oh, it's all sludge. I don't want to grab it. I don't want to grab it. It's literally every bit of it.
All sludge.
It's every single sludge. Oh, so uncomfortable. Echo. God. Do something.
Ah! It's really bad.
What?
The echo. Like, run and jump right here or something.
Alright, and then you go behind me, okay?
Alright.
I don't know how to...
I don't know how to run with bare feet.
Me neither. Alright, here we go. I did it. Alright, go. Oh, my eyes are so cold. Way. I'll jump to the left.
I'm gonna freak out.
I'm too. We both have one shoe on.
What's all that black stuff?
The sky.
Oh.
Alright, ready? 5.
Wait.
4.
Okay, jump that way.
I'll jump to the left.
Okay.
What's that bubbling right there?
Well, that's what I don't want to see. It's not good.
I'll follow you. 3. Ooh, 2. Wait, how do we get back up?
I guess we'll just have to swim.
Outwards?
Yeah, that way.
Okay. Alright, let's
Same
go.
as
I
it.
swear I'm coming right behind you.
Okay.
I promise you. My turn. Oh, you go for it, scare me. No, I can't touch. Look at the hole. Let's go on. I don't want to go there. It's too scary.
But look at that hole.
I know. It's so cold. Look, there's an end to it. What? There's an end. I'm so scared.
Can you push the bottom? Oh, it's really warm right
20
now.
back. 20 back.
Okay.
We did it. We swam from that top to here.
I'm healed.
We made it all the way over here.
And on your back. Wrong down. Oh.
Oh. That's so far. Those bubbles leading the trail up.
You think we can make it to the other side?
Oh, you want to try it?
What's risky?
Alright. Alright, guys, we're going to cross, okay? We're literally going to go across to that. Them rocks over there. I'm following John.
Hope there ain't a snapping turtle.
I hope that too. If there is, I'm going to do a backflip out of here. Let's get a log.
Yeah, let's go get it.
Ooh, it's so sludgy.
It's so sludgy.
I'm using my right foot though, not my left foot. Ooh, I don't want this in my face.
Oh, me neither. Can you go through it? I'm using my left leg and that's it.
I'm using my right foot and that's all.
Oh my god.
Oh, I saw a big shadow. Oh, I hit something really sharp. I'm actually scared.
Ooh, oh yeah. I'm gonna try to get it.
All right, let's go. Let's get a log, and then we'll float on it.
I'm on sand and sludge.
I am too. I'm trying not to touch it.
I just felt something pointing.
I did too. I keep feeling that. I'm like, ugh.
Dude, it's so dark right here.
Oh, I don't like it.
I don't like it neither. Get away from it.
Our log is not sharp enough or really buoyancy enough.
Oh my God, that scared me to death. Do you think we can do it?
Can we do it, John?
It's getting deep.
It is getting deep. I don't like this. I'm scared. Look how close we are still. Oh, your leg just broke my ankle. Oh,
this log ain't gonna help us do that.
I know. Just throw it. Oh, my ankle. I think your foot broke my ankle.
Sorry.
All right, so we just keep going.
I think we can make it. It's getting warm.
It is. It's getting cold right here, though. Just on your back. It's much more relaxing, I swear. I just look up. I'm with my best buddy since kindergarten. We're gonna die. I mean, we're gonna walk through here peacefully. We're not close at all.
We're not close.
We're still going.
We're not close at all.
Ooh, oh yeah. I'm gonna GoPro underwater. How close are we?
Pretty close, actually.
Oh yeah, we actually are. We're actually really close, guys. See? We made it. We made it. Oh my God, I can't believe we just. I'm like so drained of energy. That was 5 minutes. Where the helicopter? Guys, there's a helicopter somewhere. Where's that, John?
That was one of the most insane things.
Where'd that helicopter go and come from? Let's go. I can't believe that. Guys, we literally went from right there to right there. That's so far. Like, if you were here, you'd know how far that is. Like, that is really freaking far. It really is. Oh my God, it's so steep. Is it actually? All right, guys, we're leaving the pond right now. This GoPro's on my face. My brakes aren't that good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm going to the middle.
Wow.
What?
I didn't expect that to work.
I didn't either. Wow, guys, this is a great view. I'll see you guys when we get to Big Mountain.